Hello everyone, how are you all? Take care of yourself and your family in this pandemic. So friends, today we are going to see a concept of 5S. Yes, we know that that is a Japanese technique which change every industrial work environment and it makes it beautiful. So generally, friends, many of us having different ideas about this 5 years. We know that today this 5 years has how it influencing our work culture and how it is important for any industry. Okay, so we know that how this system focuses on putting everything where it belongs and keeping the workplace clean, which makes it easier for people to do their jobs without wasting time and risking injuries. Okay, so we know that why it is important, how much it is important. So friends, let's get more about it. Stay connected with this video. Before that, let me introduce myself. I am Atul Kumbar and you are on my channel AB Kumbar. Okay, so friends, I request all that if this video is helpful to you, then please like, share this video to your friends, and also please subscribe to my channel. And last, your support is more valuable for me. Okay, so please do supporting me, do support. So friends, let's start. Okay, so let's see a concept of that 5S. Okay, so what is that 5S concept is? Actually, that 5S is a Japanese technology. Okay, firstly it is implemented by some Japanese automotive companies like Toyota. Okay, now here just see what does that 5S mean. See here, 5S is a system for organizing spaces so work can be performed efficiently, effectively and safely. Okay, so you get here that 5S is a system. It is a one type of system that organize a space to work or space for work, whatever the work floor is there. Okay, machines are, you can say shop floor or a shop floor. It organize that spaces so that your work can be performed efficiently, effectively, more efficiently, and you can say importantly safely. Now that 5S system focuses on putting everything where it belongs and keeping workplace clean, which makes it easier for people to do their jobs without wasting time or risking injury. Okay, so you can get here that system generally focuses on whichever the you can say material is there, whichever the tool is there, whichever the work is there, job is there, anything is there. Okay, that should be placed at a you can say right place. Okay, it should be placed at specific place. Okay, likewise there should be a proper workplace management so as that workplace can you can say it looks like a pleasant there. Okay, you can feel there some safety. Okay, or your mind should be you can say pleasant one to work there. So likewise, so it makes the everything or the it specifies the place for everything. Okay, where it belongs to be. Okay, if the everything or every work, every job is placed at right place, then your work area can look clean one. So that is what the 5S is. Now let's see a 5S translation. Generally that 5S is a Japanese words. Those are 5 Japanese words here: Seiri, Seitan, Seiso, Shiketsu and Shitsuke. Okay, let me read it one by one again. Seiri, Seitan, Seiso, Shiketsu and Shitsuke. Okay, and if you get its English translation, you will get here Seiri means sorting or the sort out. Then Seitan means set in order, whatever the materials that you have sorted, that you need to set in order, it's according to its priority. Then Seiso means shine. Okay, shine, or you can say cleanliness. Got it? Then Shiketsu, which means standardize, and Shitsuke, which means sustain there. Okay, Shiketsu is what? Standardize the system. You have to make some rules and regulation to follow that system. And Shitsuke is what? Sustain. Sustaining, which means maintaining that all 4 years or 5 years repetitively. Okay, repeatedly, or you can say again and again. You have to maintain that system properly. Now let's see the meaning of each and every that S. Okay, in details one by one. First of all, what are those 5 years now? First one is this Seiri. Seiri means in English it means sort. Okay, so here you can see that is the first step of 5 years, and it involves, or that sort involves going through all the tools, furniture, materials, equipment, etc. work, you can say, in a work area to determine what it needs to be present and what can be removed. Okay, so here by sorting, which means what is the useful one and what is the, you can say, useless one. Okay, there are number of products there, there are number of materials on your work area, there are number of equipments there, tools there. Okay, so what you need to sort there, you have to just find out which one is the needed, which one is the necessary there, and which one is the useless there. Okay, or you can say it can be used at a minimum time, least time. So you have to just sorting out those materials according to its need, according to its priority. That is what the sort means. Next one is the set in order. So here in set in orders, now once the extra clutter is gone, okay, if you are after the sorting, you can get cleared about the which one, which materials or which tools are the necessary for you. Okay, then after that it is easier to see what's what, which means what is what, or what is needed for what process, what tools are needed for which arrangement, likewise. So now work groups can come up with their own strategies for sorting through the remaining items. Okay, now in set in order, which means now whatever you have sorted, okay, you have to place it in order of their priority. Okay, likewise, if suppose one tool you required frequently, then you have to place that tool, okay, wherever you can reach easily at that place. So likewise, you can set in order all those tools and equipments. That is second. Yes. Now see fourth. Yes, here first one is the Sairi, Saiton, Saiso, sorry, third one Saiso. So Saiso is what here? Shine. So it means cleanliness. Okay, so it clearly means the cleanliness. That shine stage of fires focuses on the cleaning of the work area regularly, daily, you can say, or at a shift time. So which means the sweeping, mopping, dusting, wiping down surfaces, putting tools and materials away, etc. Okay, so here you can see in this picture, so that man is cleaning his work area. Okay, he is cleaning whatever the chips are there. Okay, so you know that the purpose of cleaning or shining any work area. Okay, you will get pleasant environment there, that worker can willing to work there. Okay, so if suppose there is all things are scattered there, you can feel some dangerousness there, you can feel some you can say insecurity there, insecurity to work. Okay, now next one is the standardize. Now you have followed that 3 years. Now you need to standardize that process. You need to make some rules and regulation, you need to make some SOPs. Okay, you need to make some checklist, likewise you need to make some work instruction there. All those things included in a standardize. So standardize, it systemizes everything, so that just happen and turn one time effort into habits. Okay, so whatever the efforts you are giving to your work area in your company, so it you can say combining all those efforts and making you as a habiting. Okay, so making you whatever the, you can say, activities you are performing to habits of you. Now let's see the standardize or you can say assign regular tasks, create schedules and the post instruction. So these activities become the routines. It makes standard operating procedures for 5 years, so that the orderliness doesn't fall by any wayside. Okay, so it also ensures that whatever the 5 years you are following, so that doesn't go in a you can say wayside to your work area, to your work culture. Okay, so for that purpose you need to make some checklist, you need to make some standard rules and regulations. Okay, and you need to implement it properly through your work culture. Okay, for your, you can say, operators and for whichever the employees are there. That is fourth. Yes. Now the fifth one is the sustain. So sustain, I already told you, sustain, which means maintaining the all those 4 years regularly. Okay, for that purpose you have to give training to your employees or your operators, workers. Okay, so sustain refers to process of keeping 5 years running smoothly, regularly, repetitively, but also keeping everyone in organization involved. So that in sustain means you have to also involve all things which are related to your organization. Okay, it may be a management, it may be some engineers, other staff, workers, okay, other employees. So managers need to participate, as do every employee out on the manufacturing floor. Okay, so in that sustain, you need to give proper training to it. Okay, for sustaining, for maintaining all those things, it required to give proper training. Okay, for the new employees, or if suppose the one employee transfer to the another department, so for that employee also you need to give a training of 5 years. Get it? So those are the 5 years. Now there are some companies who follows the 6th S, that is the safety. Okay, so let's see that safety also, that is the 6th S. Okay, if suppose you are including safety into 5 years, it will become a 6S. But now see safety, some companies like to include a 6th S in 5 years program. The safety, when safety included, the system is often called as the 6S. The safety steps involve the focusing on what can be done to eliminate the risk in work processes by arranging things in a certain way. Okay, now see, if suppose you are following proper 5 years in your work area, then there is a less chance for any accidents, any mistake, any defects there. Okay, but if you are not following that 5 years, then there is a chance of accidents. We'll see the pictures regarding to it. Okay, we'll get to see how danger it is to not following any S, you can say any 5 years in your work area. Okay, now safety means, you know that you have to minimize the risk of operation, you have to minimize the risk of the work, risk of material handling. If suppose the material handling is done, you can say improperly, so it will create some problem, it may create some fatal accidents. Okay, so that's why the safety is also important one, that is the 6th S. Now you see there are some benefits of 5 years. First of all, see benefits, then I'll explain you about these pictures. So see benefits, first one is the reduced cost. As you know that as the work environment becomes pleasant one, that the workers can work efficiently. Okay, or you can say, if suppose you are handling properly your material, or the material handling is properly in a right way. Okay, so there is a reduction in cost. If suppose you are you can say product, the basic things for the reduction of cost is your production can be increased there when you are following the 5 years. Okay, so here it is, you can see increased productivity. Now higher quality, as you know, you are properly arranging all things, you are properly maintaining all things, and following the some standard rules and regulations. So it means you are following the you can say process properly. So as you are following a proper process, it means there is a less chance to produce a defective product. Okay, likewise it can give you a higher quality. Now greater employee satisfaction. Okay, so all the work area is clean one, it looks like a, you can say some, if suppose you are working in a shop floor, so if you are following the 5 years, it looks like a office area. Got it? So the worker can satisfactorily work there. So there is a employee satisfaction also, and safer work environment. Okay, if all things are properly arranged there, so you can get more space to, you can say move here and there. So there is a safe work environment. Now let's see some examples here in this picture. Okay, so that is the first one here. Now see here in that picture, now we can see clear difference between that two pictures. So as on the left side and the right side picture. So here, let me zoom it. Next, it gives you some, you can say the picture on the left side, it gives you some odd sense, as all the things are scattered everywhere, nothing is properly arranged, boxes are lying just here and there. Okay, now in the right picture, you see because of 5 years, all the things are arranged properly, each having specific place, and it makes that picture more beautifully. You can see here. Okay, so here see all the things are scattered. Now see the next here, that is your next example. See that in this picture of the left side, there is no any standard for path for the material transfer, and the material boxes are lying everywhere, and you see that the forklift and man with the trolley following same path. So it can leads to a serious accident. Okay, it can leads to a fatal accident also there. Now therefore see a picture at the right side, here you can you will get that why that 5 years implementation is important. So as you see here in this picture, there is a different color for different ways. Okay, for material path, you can say. So there are some gangways for human, and there is a specific area for material storage also. So it can minimize that risk of accident. Okay, Now see that next picture. On the left side there is a no specific place for any tool, all are lying at any place. It can create lot of problem, like if suppose one wants to find some tool urgently, then he can't able to get that tool immediately, so it will create the problem. Now therefore in the picture at the right side, on that all the tools and necessary materials are placed at a specific place. Therefore if one can want if any tool, he can get it easily at no time. Okay, now last one, see here you can feel dangerousness of work area in the picture at the top. So one can feel insecure while working in this type of work floor, so it may create problem for material storage also, for material handling also. Now therefore see the picture at the bottom. After applying 5 years, you see how much area get cleared. Now you see here, so you can use more workspace now for the material handling, for transfer, for storage. Okay, now you can whatever the material handling can be easy and simple one here. So that's what the importance of 5 years. So that is what the 5 years is. I hope you get cleared about this 5 years concept. So friends, if you like this video, please do like, share, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, so thank you friends.